Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's kind of an exciting one. We got the trailer on the truck and we're going to pick up a new car, as you probably know from the title. I'm not going to tell you guys what car I'm picking up yet because I don't even know if I'm going to pick it up, so this might not even be a video. If I do get it, I'm not going to record buying it because I don't know, I'm not comfortable stuffing the camera in someone's face, but we'll pick it up, do some B-roll heading there, and I'll show you the car as soon as we get back to the house. We'll do a little review on it, a little test drive, see if the puppy drifts. I don't know. All right, guys, let me show you what's happening over here. We got Alex pulling up. Oh, and we got the good old Costas. We ended up picking up for a new daily a 1998.
Oh, look at this sexy beast.
1998. A 1998 Toyota Grande Mark II. This has, if you can see, the bumper's a little.
You should keep the little things inside.
I am. The bumper's a little, it's a little banged, not banged up, but scratched up here. A little bit of touch-up paint there. We'll fix that. The front bumper is still a little discolored, a little bangs here and there, but I plan on getting the kit for it anyways. Overall, super clean. Paint-wise, like, not too bad. Interior. 10 out of 10. Super clean.
Still the factory sticker.
Still got the factory sticker on the side skirt, or whatever you want to call it. And the best of all, since I can't show you the undercarriage, this kind of speaks for itself. It's got 59,000 kilometers, which is like 32,000 miles. Just brand new. Interior is immaculate, like obviously could use a little bit of cleaning. Got that JDM Navi system. What is this called? Oh, it's touchscreen. Yo, I don't know how to use this. What the f? This feels so wrong. It's crazy, right?
I like it.
This is good. This is a good unit.
Once it gets a body kit, it's gonna look intense.
Oh yeah, eventually. See if they've left any gems here.
98.
Super clean. What is this? Oh, a little compartment right here.
Doesn't smell like a little Japanese cigarette smoking guy?
No. I think a Grammy had this. A little dirty. Nice
What
clean.
the f
Yo, I'm keeping these. Look at these. Little curtain.
Oh, it says Mark II.
Netting stays.
That's
What?
gangster.
On the drift event, netting stays.
Super gangster. The rear, even the rear's got it. Even on this little, look at that, dude. It's even got it on this cup holder, armrest, whatever. Ooh, some gems.
Smuggling them in.
Oh,
What is it?
what the f?
Deodorizer?
Car deodorizer.
That's super nasty.
Thought we were gonna find some cool things in here.
Dude,
this is so.
Something's rattling. What do we got? Damn! 2 extra keys? Yeah. Do they work?
Where'd you get this?
Yeah, they work.
Oh my god.
Wait, are there blinkers on that side?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucked. Oh, hold on, I got you
Dude,
guys.
this
feels illegal. I got you guys.
The AC works. We good.
Are you sure that thing is still saying loading?
Yo, this thing's calling you a hoe.
You sure? Is that what it is?
Wild. Yo, this feels
I
so
wish there was
wrong.
an e-brake, like.
Oh, what?
There's a little foot brake.
Oh,
So when are we swapping the engine?
So
and stuff?
good.
Are you slammed right now?
On f***ing max.
Are you
Pedal
actually?
to the metal.
Are you actually?
Nah.
I was about to say. Yo, the AC fucking.
I can't do that. No gas. Zero gas. We'll get gas. Ow.
No plate on it.
Man,
So
slap
what?
a plate on this thing. Let's
Bro,
go.
let's go get some gas.
Yeah, bro, what?
We're gonna get yelled at.
No, let's
by
go get a
my
plate.
dad.
Dude, let's stop getting a plate.
My dad's gonna yell at me.
I mean, I could probably get used to it. Drifting, right-hand drive. You know what feels super weird is the proximity, like, of the left side.
It can't be that bad.
It's a little bad.
Look at this.
Yeah.
This is insane.
Look at the
What's
key fob.
insane?
This is lock. This is the trunk back here. It's kind of cool.
Man, Toyota's on their game.
Look at this engine. I didn't really look
You
into
in
it that
trouble
much.
now.
Really
I already heard
clean.
the cops.
Oil leak on the valve
Yeah.
cover. Gotta fix that. You gonna find a valve cover for this thing?
Some RTV on there.
Yeah,
Fairly
let's-
clean.
What do you mean fairly clean? This thing's brand new. Literally spray some fucking soap on this. Just power wash it all off.
This was stored by grandma. Or grandpa.
100%.
You could tell their driving wasn't that great.
Yeah, I feel that.
But like bumpers, that's fine.
What the hell?
Yo, you can fit 3 of my bodies in.
Yo, that's kind of crazy.
Like, that's
Yo, that's
crazy.
a lot of space. We can go pick up car parts in this thing.
Look at the original spare.
Super clean. Damn, even more space down there.
We can
This
throw the
thing
legs.
roomy as hell.
Just see put that as reaction to this.
No.
Underneath the car is like, what? No way.
Look how mad Chris is. He's like,
The plates don't have insurance. Where are you going?
This is sick. It's cool because like it's not like a shit. I don't know. I was looking at Camrys and stuff like that. I was just trying to buy whatever, but you can kind of make this look like a nice chaser, like with the body kit and stuff.
We'll put a picture up right here of the body kit. I put the wipers on. It's just on the fucking right side. They're still on.
You gotta think that everything's on the opposite side.
Bro, this is so fucking weird. Bro, honestly, if a cop sees us, he might pull us over.
No.
I'll just pretend like I'm driving.
You're dumbass. Yay!
Yo,
We're gonna die.
This is sick, dude. And it's like a perfect look at that. Perfect.
Yeah, nice. Now we can live podcast.
Live podcast because they're so dumb.
Might not be like a nice crazy car, but yeah.
Is the AC working here?
Yeah, it works. Whoa.
This thing's got balls, kid. Thing's got
Thing
balls.
is
It's got balls. Does it have oil?
I don't know. Oh, does it? I don't know.
He's like, oh, does it?
Bro, this is
Maybe
sick.
it has a shipment on.
It's so cozy. Like all
Oh,
this,
yeah.
it's like so.
That's what I'm
cozy.
saying. Like Craig's like, oh, you should put like seat covers. I'm like, hell no, that's the whole
Dude, you
point.
don't need
of
the
this.
seat
I feel
covers.
like-
You have the nettings.
I feel like I'm in my grandma's living room.
I love it, dude. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it.
Better.
Dude, these things are so.
Some nice old videos.
I don't know how I felt about them, but they're kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie.
You know what's the best part?
What?
This is 5x1 14.
Really?
I want to put my white doors on here.
Starts right up every time.
Cold start.
Honestly, I think I'm gonna get a K truck.
So, I thought about that, right?
That you
It's
can't do
cool,
that. You
but,
won't.
like,
It's
I
not
want-
realistic.
I want to drive.
Yeah, you won't be able to like
wanna
go on the
drive.
highway, go to Alyssa's.
Yeah,
That's gonna be
exactly.
miserable. You're gonna be topped out at fucking 55 miles an hour.
Gives you shit. You're going the right lane.
What?
Shit. Wow, this is super confusing. The blinkers, it's the only thing that's confusing so far. Oh, boys.
Yeah, they're doing the stuff,
Boys,
right?
boys, let's put these wheels. Oh, the other ones are on my car.
Too bad.
No, dude, you can just put them on one side. What are you gonna keep them on?
Yeah, ain't nobody playing, bro.
Bro, come on, you're gonna
Hell
drift. You're gonna
no. left those. Yeah, not this season. We're done. I'm done at least. Oh, this is rear wheel drive, bro.
Is it?
Hell yeah.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Wait, what?
Nice.
Maybe this thing does get a fucking motor swap now. Honestly, at this point.
Yeah, we don't really know much about this car.
Or anything.
What is it that you need to Toyota, dude?
I went there and I
They
was like,
basically all the same.
I want these ones. That's crazy, bro. This is just so f***ing cool to see. Like, such an old casual car. It's so clean. Like, think about how satisfying this will be. Like, you have to work on anything on this. I know. Like, looking at the motor and it not having like rusty head studs. Like exhaust manifold studs, I mean. Like, show them what's going on. Just even in there, like, usually that's all. Look at this. Like, it don't really get.
Should we put the alternate?
Amigos.
Me neither.
Like, look at
Why are
this.
you gonna put them on?
I'm just.
Immaculate. What are we putting on?
I'm just having fun.
Oh, ew. Get this
Where?
ass wheel out of here.
Is it bad?
Yeah, that's ugly.
You know what it looks like? Little people's.
Steal his wheels. Just see what it looks like. Just see what it looks like.
He's gonna get pissed.
Oh, these are 19.
It's
The 90s?
humongous.
Yeah. They see me rolling.
They in. Holy shit.
Way too big. Nah,
Yeah,
it's not.
It's
This
a monster
looks-
truck, but the tandems do look nice on this. I'm not gonna lie. But the white wheels will smack different.
No, you don't want to put white wheels on this.
Yes, you do.
On this?
Why not?
Because the car's already white, dude.
Yeah, what are you gonna put?
Either black or what's the other color called? That color, like the gray color,
Gunmetal?
the gunmetal.
Yeah, gunmetal would look
Opinion.
good. No, I agree with that. I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea.
The offset.
Yeah.
That's what I want.
I don't know how I feel about this. It's gonna still sit so high.
Yeah, it doesn't look half as bad as I thought.
It just looks too. It's not.
It looks
It
too.
would look better lowered, definitely, with these wheels.
Yeah.
The offset's
The offset's
terrible. It's not gonna work in the front.
Still like the
Even the rear is not gonna work. Look at it. If anything,
worse.
worse.
Yeah. I don't think white on white is the move, anyways.
Nah, white on white is definitely.
What?
Yeah.
No, it's
Dude,
not.
trust me.
No, it's not. The gunmetal,
Gunmetal.
yeah, the gunmetal tandems look way
We should
better.
have grabbed two of the same ones.
Well, you said so.
What else do we have? We have
Oh, the T37.
yeah, your TEs. Those are
All right,
way
let's go.
different offset.
We're making another trip. We'll be right back.
Well, should we bring these down with us since we're
Yeah, might as well.
Are we also gonna bring one up?
Turns out I like being a cameraman.
Yeah, I know. You don't have to work. All right, let's go.
All right, ready? We're gonna do one. Wait! You gotta check up the car, you psychopath!
Totally forgot.
Oh my god,
Big rookie move, you know?
Well, that actually might be the one.
dude.
No cap.
Too bad we only have 2 of them.
I know. That's what I was saying today. I was so pissed that I broke these. Yo, lowered, not bad.
That isn't. I still think a darker wheel would look better on this. Like that. Oh yeah. 100%.
No, there you go.
This color.
Oh,
Oh,
this is JDM talk.
wow, this is a little too much offset. What are these?
I don't remember. 20,
Oh yeah. What are those? 30 something?
38.
Let's all agree
It's
that
not
these
too
are the
bad.
best ones.
A little stretch fitment.
Let's all agree these are the best ones for this car,
Yeah.
for this color.
Should I not put those on, you think?
No, these are the
These ones?
These are the best ones.
Yeah, these.
No, not
Yeah. Get
Got
that
brand new tires on them.
free 99 wheel ass.
Brand new
out
tires
of
on layer hoovers. I think I'd get some like gangster like 3-piece wheels.
here. What?
Yeah. With the body kit.
Now, why would you want to spend so much money on it?
For real.
Because you were already spending money for your drift events and all that kind of stuff. You need this just to like drive around, I guess.
Just what happens when you go. I don't want to leave it like that. And then you're like, late night on eBay.
Yeah, don't I know it?
Amazon, whatever.
Shorts.
Yeah, you see, I told you. 17s will look good in this car. If you look. And with a little bigger tire. You don't want to stretch the tires. Stretching them is kind of like a old
Nah,
thing.
not too much. It's literally a little stretch. Like those are technically stretched. A little bit. Very little, yeah. Look at how this wheel, look at how the tire sits on this.
That's the profile.
No, it's not. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
Super stoked with my purchase. Very happy. Can't wait to get my hands on it. Get like the body kit on. Make it feel like it's mine, you know. But until then, peace.
Okay, bye.
What the?